I think it is so vital that we reframe a lot of our politics and the community discussions that we have around them. It's so easy to misunderstand each other. Like, even if I just held up my finger and said, "What is that?" I could start a fight because I have to say in what language. Because in the language of numbers, well, that's one. But in the language of body parts, well, that's a finger. And in the language of space, well, that's up. And in the language of frequent public speaking, that's, I got to go to the bathroom. Right? But who's right now? And they're all right. It's just a matter of perspective. But when we start talking race relations in America or something like that, someone's going, this here's a finger, it's not an elbow, it's not a toe. The rest of you folks need to shh. And someone's listening to them saying, that's a 1, it's not a 2. See? They just don't understand. It's so important to understand things from multiple perspectives. This is where, like, art can really help. Like Mona Lisa, you know, is she melancholy, or is she happy, or is she just horny, or what? You know, like, and it can be all those things. And it can help us see multiple perspectives. But I think a lot of times with our politics, people are looking at it like a zero-sum game. Like, if people of color do better, that means white folk are going to do worse. And dang, it feels like rural white folk are doing worse, so screw that. It's just the wrong frame. Like, when your neighbor's house value goes up, what happens to your house value? It goes up. When your neighbor's kid is doing better in school and your teacher can go faster with all the kids, your kids do better too. Like the late great Senator Paul Wellstone said, we all do better when we all do better. And so we need to be able to frame it that way. Otherwise, what's happening right now in our politics is some folk are looking around. It's not all, but it's some, and it's a significant some, who look around and feel like our changing demography, America getting browner, is going to mean that white folk are going to be the minority, and we're just going to flip roles between who is the oppressor and who is the oppressed. And so there's this fight to, like, keep it white. Let's stop brown people from coming here, and let's stop them from voting, and whatever. And ultimately, those things are really corrosive to a democracy. I think we should take all the energy, instead of fighting over who gets to be the oppressor, let's just fight the oppression.